What's up, guys? Anyway, so today we're doing a Canon M50 mirrorless vlogging camera cinematic test, and since it's sunny and very hot outside, we're gonna be doing it outside. And if you guys have been watching my channel for a while now, I did a B-roll test with the same camera, and it's very good. The slow motion is amazing, but today we're going to do a cinematic, and I mean 4K 24p. Small camera, flip out screen. That's a vlogger's dream right there. That means that's my dream. Okay, get the jokes out of the way. Let's go, people.
All you cool people, you better leave now, because it's about to happen.
Friday night and I'm riding solo. When I touch down, keep it on the low low. I don't mess with your energy. No photos. So antisocial, but I don't care. Don't give a damn, I'm gonna smoke here. Got a bottle in my hand, bring more though. Got my hat low, don't talk to me. I've been down, give me some space. You don't know what's in my brain. Music loud, he's in my pain. Don't touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me. I came to vibe, yeah. On something, on something, on something. I wanna buy it. Don't touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me. I came to vibe, yeah. Won't let nothing come in between me and the night. Don't touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me. I came to vibe, yeah. On something, on something, on something. I wanna buy it. Don't touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me. I came to vibe, yeah. Won't let nothing come in between me and the night.
I need room. Where you standing way too close, you might catch fumes. When I zoom, pass out, wake up by myself, or right past noon, then I'm doomed. Hennessy's drowning all of my issues. Right before I leave, she give me more than just submission. That thing got more back just like my engine, I can't hit it. Seen a vision in a boy, then we committed. I've been lost out in a spin. You left me right in my place. I put you down on my name.
Don't touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me. I came to vibe, yeah. On something, on something, on something. I wanna buy it. Don't touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me. I came to vibe, yeah. Won't let nothing come in between me and the night. Don't touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me. I came to vibe, yeah. On something, on something, on something. I wanna buy it. Don't touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me. I came to vibe, yeah. Won't let nothing come in between me and the night.
I really hope you guys like that cinematic, but I don't want to discuss some props I used to film, like some of the trees or the leaves. For instance, the shot that you just saw, I wasn't walking on my feet. I used a hoverboard just to smoothen all the footage out. Just so I'm riding it and I'm sort of holding the camera around the tree over there to just make it seem more cinematic. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, comment what you do next. Peace out. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone, and tell me what you think in the cinematic down in the comments below. Have a nice day.